Okay, so when you warm up, the first thing you're gonna want to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, starting on 7th fret. And backwards. Very good. 1, 3, 2, 4. Yeah, and as you go, make sure you're lifting your fingers up high enough and also keeping the ones that you already placed, keeping them down. 1, 4, 2, 3. Three, two, four, one. Very good. 1, 2, 4, 3. Nice. 2, 3, 1, 4. Very nice. That's that. The next thing, you want to take those same patterns and you want to do them on 2 strings. So 1, 2, 3, 4 becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the same in reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's the same pattern for all of them. Go ahead. If you get lost, begin again. Nice. 1, 3, 2, 4. Try it out in the same 2-string format. 1, 3. Very nice. So that is quite a bit trickier. Just try to work up to that. So begin with doing it on 1 string, and then try to work up to zigzagging it on 2 strings, and then we'll eventually move on to like a 3-string version, and then just basically 4 strings across and 4 strings back as well. So every version you can upgrade. Now start on 12th fret. This is to help with shifting, and keep your first finger down as you do these. Start on 12th fret, down 3, up 2. Keep the first finger down. skip around. You don't have to do them in order. You just have to do them. 2, 3, 1, 4.
Something wrong with my string.